Hello everyone. Today we'll study about preamble of the Constitution. Before that, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like, share and comment. Okay, let us start. Preamble is the introduction or a preface to the Constitution and our Constitution adopted on the November 26th, 1940. Our Constitution adopted on the November 26th, 1949, but it came into force on Jan 26, 1950. Preamble is also called as the identity card of the Constitution. Okay. Next we'll see nature of the Indian state. First one, sovereign. The word sovereign implies that the India is neither a dependency nor a dominance of on any other nation, but it is a independent state and no domination of on the any other nation. It is free to conduct its internal and external affairs. And UN or a Commonwealth membership has no effect on the Indian sovereignty. Being a member of UN's Commonwealth membership, India has no effect on Indian sovereignty. Next, we'll see democratic. Next, democratic polity is based on the doctrine of popular sovereignty, that is possession of the supreme power by the people. Our Indian Constitution provides the representative parliamentary democracy, that is indirect democracy, and some manifestations are the universal adult franchise, periodic elections, okay, and the combination of political and social and economic democracy. See, democratic is the a combination of political, social and economic democracy. Next, republic. The two types of democratic polity, one is monarchy, another one is republic. In republic, the head will be elected directly or indirectly. Head of the state will be elected. Here, head of the state will be queen with their hereditary position. In Britain, head of the state is queen. Next, we'll see objectives of the Indian Constitution. Objectives. First one, justice. Justice in three forms taken from the Russian Revolution. Justice, three forms are taken from the Russian Revolution. First one, social. Social is to equal treatment of all citizens without social discrimination on the base of caste, religion, etc. Next, economic. It is to eliminating the inequalities in wealth, income and property. Next, the combination of social and economic is called as the distinctive justice. Next, the political. Political justice is all citizens have equal political rights and equal access to all political offices and equal voices in the government. Okay, next we'll see the liberty, equality and fraternity are taken from the French Revolution. Okay, liberty, equality and fraternity are taken from the French Revolution. Union of Trinity, the one cannot be divorced from the other two. Okay, liberty, it is the absence of restrictions on the activities of individuals, providing the opportunities for all the development of individual personalities. And liberty is the thought expression, liberty in thought expression, belief, faith and worship. Liberty doesn't mean license to do what one likes, and it has to be enjoyed within the limitations mentioned in the Constitution itself. Next we'll see equality. Equality is the absence of special privileges to any particular section. Okay, and the provision adequate opportunities for all, adequate opportunities for the all individuals without any discrimination. Equality of a status and opportunity. There are three dimensions of equality. One is civic, political, and economic. In civic is Article 14 to 18 in fundamental rights. In political means Article 325 to 326, and in economic Article 39 of the DPSP. Next, fraternity. Fraternity is the sense of brotherhood. The manifestations are the single citizenship fundamental duty to promote the harmony and brotherhood. Next, fraternity is to ensure the dignity of individual and unity and integrity. It ensures the dignity of individual and unity and the integrity of the nation. See, is a preamble part of the constitution? Yes, it is a part of the constitution, but it is not a source or a limitation on the power to legislate, legislature, and it is non-justiciable in nature. Yes, preamble is part of the constitution. We'll see related cases to this preamble. First one, Berubari Union case in 1960. It is not a part of the constitution. In this Berubari Union case, the judgment was not a part of the constitution. In Keshavanand Bharati case in 1973, the judgment was the preamble is the part of a constitution. Next, in LIC of India case 1995, again preamble is made. The judgment was the preamble is a part of the constitution. Is a preamble amendable? Yes, it is amendable, but we'll see. In Keshavanand Bharati case in 1973, preamble can be amended under Article 368, subject to the condition that no amendment of is done to the basic structure. See, the preamble can be amendable, but without affecting the basic structure of a constitution. It is amended only once so far, that is 42nd Constitutional Amendment Act 1976. In this amendment, socialist, secular, and integrity, these three words are added here. Socialist means it's a democratic socialism, public and private, that's a mixed economy here. Okay, and it is not a communist socialism, and it is a blend of Marxism and the Gandhism with a heavy tilt towards the Gandhian socialism. And DPSP, also a socialistic connotation. Next, secular. Secular is a positive concept of the secularism. In this, all religion has some status and support from the state. It is stated in the Article 25 to 28. Next, integrity. Integrity is to reflect a broader interpretation of the fraternity, which promotes spiritual integral structure. Integrity reflects the broader interpretation of the fraternity, which means to promote. It promotes the spirit integral structure of the nation, which consists of the diverse caste, class, religion, region, languages, sex, etc., and the ideologies also. Ideologies. See, the integrity in all. Integrity means diversity. Diversity in caste, class, religion, race, language, ideologies, etc. Next, we'll see the significance of the preamble. It's a preface or essence or a soul of the constitution. Next, it embodies the basic philosophy and fundamental values. It has some fundamental values, and it contains the grand noble vision of the Constituent Assembly. It contains the grand and noble vision of a constitution of the Constituent Assembly. Okay, that's all about preamble. Thank you.